In this video, I will show how to type a square symbol in Microsoft Excel. So you have to write this symbol Alt plus 0178. So turn on numeric keypad. I will show you via on-screen keyboard. So press the Alt, then 0178, enter. Options, turn on numeric keypad, press the Alt, then 0178. So if you have numeric keypad, so press Alt plus 0178. If you don't have numeric keypad, so turn on numeric keypad by clicking option, turn on this setting, then press the Alt and type 0178. So if you have the numeric keypad, so try this one, and still you are facing the problem, so comment, I will give another option. Thanks for watching.